Introduction to the third chapter, Meeting Life Challenges. This chapter serves as a platform for students to explore and understand the diverse obstacles they may encounter in their lives. It provides valuable insights in how individuals can effectively confront and overcome these challenges. It enables personal growth and development. Before going to the details, please remember to subscribe this channel if you are new here. Do watch other videos in this channel, share it with students and those who love learning psychology. Thank you. So let's see what are challenges. Challenges are the situation of being faced with something that needs great mental or physical effort in order to be done successfully and therefore test a person's ability. What are life challenges? It refers to the difficulties, obstacles, and adversities that individuals encounter throughout their lives. These challenges can vary greatly from person to person and may encompass various aspects of life, including personal, professional, social, and emotional spheres. Let's see few examples of life challenges. Health issues. It includes dealing with physical or mental health problems, chronic illness, disabilities, or injuries. Financial struggles. Managing financial obligations, coping with debt, unemployment, poverty, or unexpected expenses. It can pose significant challenges and create stress and uncertainty. Relationship difficulties. Navigating complex relationships such as conflict with family members, marital issues, or difficulties in friendship. It can be emotionally draining and impact one's overall happiness and stability. Another example can be educational and career challenges. Meeting academic expectations, choosing a career path, job insecurity, workplace stress, or unemployment. It can present significant challenges and require individuals to adapt and make important decisions. So these are few examples of life challenges. In this chapter, we will address a wide range of challenges that individuals may face, such as physical and mental health issues, financial constraints, societal expectations, interpersonal conflicts, etc. This chapter will highlight the significance of developing essential life skills, including resilience, problem solving, effective communication, decision making, etc. In the coming video, we will start with the nature of stress. So, please share and subscribe this channel. Thank you and keep smiling.